Where do you think those fake blood thinners in the Mexican border pharmacies come from? In February, fake versions of the blood thinners Xarelto and Eliquis with no active ingredient were found in Mexican pharmacies designed for sale to American tourists. These border pharmacies exist to draw Americans looking for cheap medicine with no regard for their health or safety. Because honestly, what recourse do you have as an American if that border pharmacy sells you fake medicines? Now, if you're wondering where do these pills come from, we may have an answer. Mexican authorities just busted a pill-making operation within blocks of these Mexican pharmacies catering to American tourists. Authorities seized 11 pounds of fentanyl pills, along with 110 pounds of white powder, 44 pounds of blue powder, and an industrial pill press. Operations like these work well because these pill pressing machines use interchangeable pill molds to make different kinds of pills. This is a mold for oxycodone that you can buy online. It's one of the most popular fake pills pressed today. But if they wanted to make Adderall instead, they would just swap in this mold for Adderall pills marked AD30. Or maybe you want to make fake versions of a blood thinner? Well, there's a mold for that for sale online too. Illegal pill pressing is a global problem, but also here at home. PSM has tracked the seizure of pill presses in the US to 37 states. You can read all about it in our report on the pill press problem, available for free on our website. But in the meantime, it's critical that you not take any medicine of any kind that you didn't get from a licensed US pharmacy, preferably your corner pharmacy. No Canadian web pharmacies, no cheap meds from India, and no meds from your buddy who's got a reliable guy. For more info about how to save money on medications while staying safe and the risk of fake pills with fentanyl, see our website. If you want to stay updated about new episodes, click the subscribe button. We do a new episode every week about counterfeit medicines. There's often 20 or more counterfeit medicine stories that happen every week in the US that we don't have a chance to do a video about. To read about them, just go to our website and check out the story that has this week's date on it. Thanks, and see you at www.safemedicines.org.